Oh no. I can't believe I overslept again today because my alarm somehow never rang.
You always say that, but somehow your alarm works perfectly on weekends.
This is not funny because I'm already running late and my whole morning schedule is ruined.
Calm down and get ready quickly, because stressing about it won't make time move slower.
Sometimes it feels like the day starts badly before I even get out of bed. Great. Now my phone battery is at only 5% and I forgot to charge it last night.
One small problem after another seems to be following you today.
I need my phone for everything, and now it's about to switch off completely.
Plug it in while getting ready, because panicking won't charge it faster.
Honestly, this day is already testing my patience. Has anyone seen my keys because I clearly remember putting them somewhere yesterday?
You always say you remember where you kept something, and then you spend 20 minutes looking for it.
I've checked the table, the sofa, and even my bag twice already.
Look calmly because things usually appear when you stop rushing.
Why do important things disappear only when I'm in a hurry? Are you serious? The bus left just a few seconds before I arrived.
That's probably because you spent too much time searching for your keys.
Missing a bus by 1 minute feels even worse than missing it by 10 minutes.
At least another bus will come soon.
Yes, but now my entire schedule is getting delayed. Finally, something good is happening today. Oh no, I just spilled coffee on my shirt.
I honestly don't know whether to laugh or feel bad for you.
At this point, I'm expecting something else to go wrong too.
Please don't give the universe any new ideas.
Perfect. Now the internet has stopped working exactly when I need to send an important file.
This day is really giving you a complete collection of small problems.
Every tiny issue alone is manageable, but together they become exhausting.
That's true because frustration builds up little by little.
I just want one thing to go smoothly today. I ordered a sandwich, so why did they bring me a burger?
Maybe today is officially the wrong things happening day.
It's not even a big problem, but somehow it feels annoying after everything else.
Small problems feel bigger when they keep happening repeatedly.
Exactly, that's what makes this day so frustrating. Seriously? It was sunny all morning and now it's raining heavily.
Please don't tell me you forgot your umbrella too.
Of course I forgot it because that would perfectly match today's theme.
At least you still have your sense of humor.
Honestly, laughing is the only thing keeping me calm right now. I feel like every small thing has gone wrong today.
The funny part is that none of these problems was actually serious.
I know, but when they happen one after another, they start feeling huge.
Sometimes it's not the problem itself, it's the number of problems.
That actually makes a lot of sense.
So, how was your day?
Honestly, it felt like a day full of small problems from morning until evening.
But look at it this way, every problem was solved eventually.
And tomorrow you'll probably laugh while remembering all of this.
You're right, because none of those problems was as big as they felt at the time.
That's life. Some days test your patience more than your abilities.
I learned something today. Staying calm is often more important than solving the problem quickly.